Oh.
Ah.
Ah. Well,
Oh.
look at that. It's a magic gate.
That face. It's dark. I can hardly see it. Okay, give me your crazy face.
Are you starting this into a 3-act play?
What are you doing?
Saying hi to all of his fans.
Ignoring public. Get over the lip.
That's not good. Oh, your wheels. Hold on.
Yeah, step on. There you go. Okay.
Whoops.
Why is it so dark? It's frustratingly dark. Okay.
Come on out. Why should I?
Why should you? Sassy.
Come out wherever you are. Ooh.
What do you say to everybody?
Hello.
Bravo! Top of the morning to ya. Hello, Governor.
Yay. Can you say thank you to everybody? Thank you.
I want to roll.
You rock my world. Is that what you said?
Sure.